Okay, we're live.
Okay, cool. I definitely second changing the name of the game.
Okay, before we start off with the actual technical stuff, I think it's kind of overdue that we agreed to change the name of the game because nobody could even pronounce the game right now. Echoes of Sentience. We had a what's our winner? I forgot the name.
I think it was something coming
Ready
out.
Agent One.
Yeah, Ready Agent 1, probably. See,
Is
that
it
one's so
cool?
much easier to pronounce.
Is it cool? It's catchy. Yes, let's do it. Just gonna do a global nuke of all the name and see what happens. Okay, I'm just gonna do a replace of echoes of sentience and do a global replacement of every occurrence.
By the way, why would something in Livestack gets changed?
Wait, did I change something in Livestack?
I
I don't think so.
I might have seen something. Okay, never mind. Maybe I'm wrong.
But the funny thing is, I do not see the changes in here. Oh, did I just commit? Yeah, I don't. Wait, hold on.
What happened to the? Oh.
I wasn't replacing.
Okay. You see the README under Livestack.
Right.
Funny
And
thing.
this needs to change as well. I guess for this, I'm gonna just use. This uses like different kind of like Unicode thing.
Oh. Yeah, no wonder it looked a bit different.
And I asked ChatGPT to help me stylize it. So now let me ask him again. Okay.
Why not cloud?
Sorry?
Why not use cloud?
Sure. I feel cloud is smarter, yes, but it's more sophisticated. Like GPT is more sophisticated in the sense that it's more of like a battle tested.
True.
But is stylized text for same font, same Unicode style, writing to write ready. Will it be able to understand? Oh, nice. Thank you. Done.
Cool.
And just to be... Wait, hold on. Yeah, you're right. Why? What did I change?
Maybe we should move this file to outside of Livestack. I think this README somehow.
Oh, I see why the change is in there because I in my README of Livestack I do have a mention about the game.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's fine. Hope Steven Spielberg doesn't sue us. Okay. Ready, Agent One. Yes.
We still have to change the name of the repo though.
Yeah, just to be thorough, let me change the name of the repo, and just for security, I'm gonna do it off screen.
By the way, has that OpenAI incident got resolved?
Let me check real quick. I got charged $1,100 US dollars with by OpenAI. I believe, and I lost access simultaneously. I lost access to all my API accounts. I think it's very highly likely that my account was hacked.
Did they revert the credit back?
No, they're still investigating as of 3 days ago.
Oh man.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for like maybe 2 more days. I'm gonna start disputing with my credit card company.
Okay.
All right, now we have ready agent 1. If you can, just to be sure, normally you don't have to do this, but just change your git config to point it to the new URL. Ready agent 1. Okay. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So usually in this kind of situation, do we have to rename our local directory?
Up to you.
Okay.
If you want to be thorough, let's do this. Okay, I think we just erased the last trace of echoes of sentience. That was a fun start. Now, let's go back to business. Okay.
Cool.
Let me just, because I just did it wrong, so let me quickly check. Wait, how come live game was like? Did we have that timestamps back? I thought I got rid of it.
Maybe we brought it back.
But we don't. I think we don't need it for now.
Okay, it could be old or some other test case.
Oh yeah, the conversation test is still gains plus. Okay. Just gonna change this real quick so that I don't end up having like 100 projects in my. Okay. This is messed up. I wonder what's going on. Like, who changed the dashboard code? Nobody changed the code. Like, what? Why? Why is it showing like this?
Looks like this page is still okay though. It might be worth it to investigate any Git changes related to the diagram.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that later. But for this, let's check exclusively for character worker. So I want to calm Morgan down and come up with a plan to explore the case. Oh, by the way, we should just switch to like a shop setting at a certain point, because that's one of the things that we're.
Shop setting?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Simulate the shop, right?
Right. I'm really sick or tired of live form detector.
Sure. Would that be easy to do a global change?
Yeah, yeah. We don't need to do it this time around, but like maybe in a. Okay, let's just get this action thing working, and then we can change the shops as our like second test case, one thing at a time. In the meantime, we're still stuck with the cave, a rock, some tree, and a broken life form detector. Anyway, the intent is I want to calm. Okay, who's talking? Jeremy. I want to calm Morgan down and come up with a plan to explore the cave. Hey, Morgan, don't worry about Guy. We can do this ourselves. Oh, the premise is that Guy is sort of enjoying himself taking a selfie. I think we have that. Yeah. That guy is looking for a place to take a selfie. Okay. This was intentional. I want to calm Morgan down, and he okay. It's pretty intelligent. Like, cause Jeremy, like, seeing that guy gets distracted, and he's predicting that Morgan might get really pissed off. Okay. Then it goes to the supervisor worker. I think at a certain point. Okay, this is coming from a summary worker, and one change. Let's do a code review. Summary worker is also for now our game engine, I believe. One thing is wait, did the intern did it finish or not? I forgot.
What was his task?
To kind of make the engine more intelligent, so that did I finish or did he finish or did I help him finish? Anyway, wait, that's not summary worker. So what's the wait? Who was changing the switching the location and whatnot? Oh, Jan state change by action. Oh yeah, here. You now remember. Oh, game engine. Good. So, given actions. Okay, given character actions. We want to compute a set of state changes. This is what we have right now. Right now, the logic is very simple. If the action is walk to or run to, then we create an event for the UI potentially in the future to consume, which is subject from location to location. This is a location change. Okay. Otherwise, we return something. If it's examine, punch, kick, or operate, then the target will turn from state idle to state beeping silent on exploding flashing, and we sample it, so it's like a random event. Did we do this last time? Oh, I did this with an intern. It was kind of funny. It was really fun. Did we do this last time?
Together during live stream.
Oh, we did?
Yeah, last week.
Oh, it's us. Okay, never mind. So what was changed? Like,
was there other branches?
no, I don't think so. Anyway, let's just ignore it. Now, oh yeah, I think the intern did most of like the front work. So now today, okay, let's just read this. Okay, just read through this. Let's take a look at the state changes. Okay, state change includes our state changes is nothing right now. Okay, let's keep going. Turn control, nothing added. Character, I should be more careful what I say. Oh no, it's guy. I think this is Guy, is it? What's the subject? Oh, Guy. Hey, Jeremy, can you help me understand why Morgan is upset? Okay, for some reason, I didn't mean to cause trouble. I just got excited. Okay, guy, you see this is whole lot more dynamic than where we started. Okay.
True.
All right, keep going. Was there any state change? Oh yeah, there's a state change. Guy walked from location 05 to location 30 to location 505, whatever that means. We got movements. And then Morgan. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, let's see what Morgan says. Okay, now I think it's Morgan's turn. I want to get out of here and find something useful. Guys, I think we should leave this place. I feel weird. It feels weird. Walk to, talk to. Now this reminds me. We could intelligently switch thing. If we ask the LLM a question, like it's like one thing you can ask is, has the thing concluded? The other thing is like, have they reached some agreement, or have they agreed to sort of move on? I think that's yeah, supervisor can be more intelligent. That's my point. Okay, Morgan reflection. I don't know what to do. The cave is dark and ominous. One thing though, like Morgan, I think Morgan just completely ignored the other people's conversation.
Was that her intent?
Okay, Guy. Hey, Morgan, do you see that cave? Guy is looking for a place to take a selfie. I want to calm Morgan down. Action, message, action, talk. Jeremy, I don't like Guy's attitude. Oh wait, who's talking right now? Oh, Jeremy. I don't like Guy's attitude. He always makes things worse. I'll talk to Morgan instead. I should be more careful what I say. Hey, Jeremy, wait? I don't like Guy's attitude. I don't think this showed up like previously. That's kind of weird. Because if I remember correctly,
Okay.
character Jeremy was saying something else. Jeremy was saying oh, this is Jeremy. Yeah, I want to calm Morgan down and come with a plan to explore the cave, but I think this one just got missing. Jeremy was somehow computed twice. Isn't that weird? And then, oh, hey, Morgan, don't worry about Guy. We can do this ourselves. Okay, so two steps. But like, just remember this line. Hey, Morgan, don't worry about Guy. We can do this ourselves. But when after a few rounds, we have, hey, Jeremy, can you tell me what? Oh, like, hey, Morgan, oh, never mind. It's here. Then Jeremy says, hey, can you help me understand why Morgan is upset? Oh, okay, never mind.
That was Guy. Guy was saying.
Okay. And then next, I didn't mean to cause trouble. Well, and then somehow at a certain point, someone is walking now. Okay, Guy started walking. Walk to this destination. For whatever reason, the LM decides it walks to that place. So on let's read one more line and let's get working. Okay. So next turn is Morgan. I think we should leave this place. And then let me see if that got included in the yeah, it gets included in the history. Character worker. Okay, so who's talking next? Yeah, this is a little bit of overlapping here. I can't scroll in here. But
Yeah, that's weird.
hey, Morgan, let's not panic. We'll figure this out together. I want to help my friend and figure out what's going on. I think I should go and talk to Morgan and see if I can calm him down. Okay, one last thing. Then there's a Morgan. I want to examine the situation and make a decision about what to do next. I think it's a little bit of stalling right now. And then nobody's moving. All right. All right. Examining the cave. All right. Now, I think for our own sake and just for debugging purposes, this time around we gotta connect all of this to the UI. Right.
Yeah,
I
makes
think that should be
sense.
our focus today because we've been missing the visual for quite a while.
True.
Right. Okay. So the state of the UI right now is it doesn't work. Okay. I hope it's because we changed the project name, so we need to do a yarn again. Okay. Now, yeah, I think I definitely got to restart on my VS Code real quick. Because every time I redo a yarn, it becomes incredibly slow.
Yeah, it happens to me sometimes as well.
And then I think my VS Code just crashed. All right, let's do yarn dev again. Wait, how come echoes of sentience is still here? I think we missed out. Okay, we missed out the title of the page. Ready, agent 1. The title, the yarn. It should be yarn unlock. Doesn't matter. Okay. So what we have now, 3 buddies. State change, state change, state change. We have like fake state change right now. All handwritten. I believe it is in the props manager. Let's do a 2-step process. Okay. The first step is to basically replicate what we have in the workflow test. And then instead of running it through the command line, we run it through the front end. Okay. And then we just for simplicity's sake, we just sort of console log everything we're receiving here. That's step one. Okay, once we've done step one, then we move on to step two. Okay, which is connecting all the events we have received into like sort of moving visuals. Now, is it just as simple, I guess, as sort of copying the entire game state from here to the front end? I hope it's just that simple.
I think whatever that's working in workflow.conversation.test should just work on the front end, hopefully.
Okay.
It's really just about changing the initial state, I hope. And then it might be tricky to display the message as well.
All right. Let me actually take this opportunity to sort of kind of unify the initial game state, because I don't want like front end to do one thing and then the back end to do another. So let me just take the opportunity to move the initial game state to common, create a new file called 𝗟𝗃𝗲𝗁𝗃𝗲𝗁.ts. How's that? And then gonna move this to here. Export const 𝗟𝗃𝗲𝗁𝗃𝗲, and then 𝗟𝗃𝗲𝗁𝗃𝗲 initial input. And you kind of try to import a game state. Game state right now resides in game state schema. Okay, I'm gonna export a game state type from a common area as well. Just do a little bit of reorganizing. Okay, all right. And then in the 𝗟𝗃𝗲𝗁𝗃𝗲, we're still lacking something called a vicinity. Where is vicinity? Where did I get vicinity?
It could be props now.
Oh, here it is.
Okay.
That is actually part of the game state. So let's just move things over to the 𝗟𝗃𝗲𝗁𝗃𝗲. And then do a little bit of clean up. Directed by row. What is directed by row? Okay, I think we have all these things scattered everywhere. Game state, 𝗟𝗃𝗲𝗁𝗃𝗲, directed by row, move to the same file. Okay, the entire saga of 𝗟𝗃𝗲 is now condensed into one file, which is property named 𝗟𝗃-K. Now, I think we have a few errors that we need to fix. Okay, here they all come from an I don't want to break the initial workflow conversation, so just gonna bring back just alien cave initial input. Great. If we are really lucky, all we got to do is to replace this entire thing with just like one line, which says initial alien cave, something like that. Oh, sorry. What's it called? Alien cave init input. Let's see if this works. Got to import from and finally, we got a little bit of error in here, like a typing error. I believe a lot has changed. There's a little bit of mismatch between the front end and the back end now. Yeah, in the back end, we got rid of the state moving. Because this moving state is strictly a front end affair. It's not a back end affair. So I just kind of asked the intern to kind of get rid of it. But now, because we got rid of the props, got rid of this, we sort of have to define elsewhere. Okay, moving or rolling. Okay, we need to bring back these two missing props. Let me think what's the best way to go about doing this. Moving, let me think. If actually, let me see if this works. Const. I'm just gonna make it local state because nothing else concerns with whether this thing's moving or rolling. Only the props that is actually doing the animation. I'm just gonna keep them local and see if that works. All right, and then it's also needs something called a current position. Again, likewise, I'm gonna move current position to local. Just get rid of that. Initially, I think everything we can set it to 0. Current position. Current position.x and current position.y. Okay, we got another typing error directed by row. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, strings. Yeah, okay, sure, whatever. Directed by row. Morgan string. Jeremy object of keys.
Maybe it should just be object.entries.
Maybe it should just be any. No. Oh, I see what you mean. But you still need this.
Yeah, I mean, if you do object.entries, then you have the role and value.
Okay, good idea. Oh, nice. Thank you for the tip. It worked.
Cool.
Now, everything connected together. by conventional wisdom, it should just work magically, and we shall profit from here. That's what should happen in real life. Okay, so okay, let's see. Oh yeah, there's no way of checking them. It does seem that yeah, a bunch of jobs was started. Okay, that's a good sign. Let me finish constructing this. Okay, so okay, actually, the first thing first, let me commit this. So whenever we have an output, whenever we have an output, use okay. So what are we exposing exactly? So let's try to take a look at the workflow. The workflow is defined in here. What is being exposed? Oh, by the way, we can change this to the new like sort of notation.
Is it recommended to use the new?
Well, I think in theory, if we are exposing things in one way, we should connect things in the same manner.
Okay. Okay. So it doesn't really replace the expose. You still have to specify which input outputs you want to expose, right?
Right. It's just more consistent. Like right now, you're specifying the
True.
outputting this way.
Also, I'm always curious for those exposed aliases. Do
Yeah.
they have to be different from the original
No,
naming?
no,
Okay.
they're entirely two different things in the two different levels. You could as well just call this user input.
Okay. And basically, they only need to be unique within input or output. They don't have to be. So, can I have a default input and they default as output?
Yeah, you can, but I think you can, but never try.
Okay.
But by the logic, yes, you can have a default input and output.
Okay.
Like do
Cool.
the kind of nested workflow within workflow kind of thing. Have defaults on different levels. I think in theory, yes. I've
Is
never
nested
tested.
workflow supported yet?
Is the what supported?
Nested workflow.
I don't think so.
Okay.
I wouldn't bet on it, but it's not yet. There
Okay.
needs to be like a whole bunch of refactoring. But before that, there was something else that needs to be done. Yeah, it's complicated.
Okay.
But short answer is no. All right. That's the character talk. That seems interesting. Let's just try to capture the character talk in here. Use tag is character talk. Definition is this, and this. Okay. Character spec. Input is oh, this is quite different from before now.
Yeah, this is definitely different.
Oh, character output schema. Character output schema, I think, should be moved to common. Okay, let's just move to common. Game state schema. Create a new file. Check character output schema. Paste it here, and then I can change this to character output schema. I think my M1 is really struggling right now. Have you seen Apple's new iPad?
No.
That came out today?
Oh, nice. I'm not an iPad user.
iPad Pro. The new iPad Pro has a M4 chip.
Nice.
Whatever that means. Character enum. Where character output schema. Character enum. Ugh. My auto import is completely broken. Characters enum. Action schema. So where's action schema? Okay, it's also in the game state. Okay. Okay, good. Just try to fix all the errors in here. So character schema, output schema no longer comes from the server side. It comes from the common area. Okay. Just gonna fix all the references. Okay. Now let's try. I think Llama has a recent update about, fixing infinite generation of LLMs. I don't think I have updated yet. And our live title just crashed.
Is it? What's the reason that it crashed?
Because it was generating infinite Llama streams.
Oh, okay. That's why you were mentioning it.
Anyway. Let's see. Does it prompt a generation of all the states and everything? Let's check. So seems like a bunch of jobs was started, but nothing happens.
Maybe let's check the WebSocket on the front end.
I mean, sure. Okay, subscribe to stream, subscribe. request
there
invite.
a
I don't think
feed?
anything is fed in there. Do I have like a feed statement in here somewhere?
Let's check. Drop use output.
Oh, I don't. I commented it out.
Interesting.
Let me just like try to output last character action real quick. Okay, last character action dot data.
But isn't this use output though?
Yeah, I need to print this out as well.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, right, the new syntax.
okay. So I remember. Let me just do like global search of dot feed.
By the way, when do you use that parenthesis extraction and when do you use last?
What do you mean?
You see your line 91 to 95, you used the last game state, but on line 97, you
Oh,
use.
you can do both. You can do both.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're right. I should do this.
What were you extracting earlier if you used a square bracket?
I believe it's equivalent.
Okay.
Oh, you're extracting the first item
Ah, okay. Makes sense.
as opposed to the last. Like it's just this is I'm actually attaching, totally abusing JavaScript's capability, attaching a last property onto an array, which is
Okay.
permissible only in JavaScript. Anyways, let me go to one level up and go to the game level and see. Okay, props manager is here, room is here, player. I do not have any statement regarding feed. That's kind of weird. So maybe I'll just create one here.
Why would this get created under props manager?
Just randomly. Sure, that's creating here. Oh, what is this live job? Did I wrap some context to?
I think so. I vaguely remember
Okay.
there's already a context somewhere.
Okay.
Oh, maybe.
So then I'll have to do it here.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, React, I'll use context.
All right. I'm gonna feed the game stating here. So gonna just follow whatever workflow was doing. Where was workflow feeding the initial input? Oh, summary supervision. Interesting. So I'm gonna do exactly the same thing here. And then in one use effect, yeah, just create a use effect here. Gonna do. By the way, feed really shouldn't be now.
True. I was just gonna say it's kind of annoying every time you have to do feed and end.
Yeah, we need to refactor this. Like it's totally. Oh wow! As soon as, holy cow, it's kicking.
Nice.
Lots of data. Lots of data. But then what I realized is that we don't need character action. We just need a stream of events that kind of highlights the state changes. Now, furthermore, okay, it failed. Let's quickly check why. Okay, we got another JSON parsing error. It seems that consistently at line 9, it's just gonna fail to sort of generate a coherent and meaningful JSON. Like failed very predictably in here.
Is it because there's too much context?
Probably. Gotta check. Actions, action type, talk, message, guys. Target not. This seems correct. I don't know why.
Is it missing actions altogether?
Okay. Error. Something's wrong, but where is the error?
Target. So the target is not double quoted.
Okay. Interesting. Is it because we have some kind of lingering error in our prompt?
It could be. Yeah, so you see the last one, destination or target, it's usually not double quoted.
But if we stringify it, it's guaranteed to have double quotes.
Okay, that's interesting.
No? Or did I make them? I mean,
Yeah, I think you're right.
by the way, every time it's something different. I think it's just kind of stretching the LLM's ability to sort of.
True. So what if we make maximum number of turns to be 6 within a scene?
Alternatively, it has been 2 weeks since Llama 3 comes out. Let's just see.
Didn't we already switch to Llama 3?
Yes, but its version keeps updating and whatnot. Like you see, the latest Llama 3 was sort of updated 19 minutes ago.
Oh, I see.
And then there's a whole bunch of kind of fine-tuned Llama 3. Whole bunch. Let's check. Most popular, Llama 2, Llama 3. Newest, Llama 5.3, Llama 3, Llama 3 gradient.
How is lava compared to llama?
No, Llama is a visual model.
Okay.
Llama 3 gradient. How about we just try Llama 3? This model extends Llama 3 8B's context length from 8B to, like, I think it's used some kind of special attention mechanism and whatnot.
I see.
Large context window. Developed by Gradient, sponsored by compute from Crusoe Energy. You can see energy companies is training LLMs. So the LLM can then operate long context. Oh, let's just try this. Just sort of for blind luck. Okay. So that's what we do. Avoid the problems. Okay. And let's try to download this.
Oh, by the way, you should probably remove the instruct after Llama 3 gradient from the
It,
code.
it does have instruct. I saw it here.
Right. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it does have instruct. Oh, actually, what if we just try Llama 3 first and see what happens?
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's gonna first time around. It's gonna start loading Llama 3. Let's see. Best way to solve the problem, avoid the problem. How come it's not moving?
Is it supposed to move?
I mean, this is not moving.
Ah,
Model loading shouldn't be that long. Let's see here. It's not moving. Oh, Llama is not moving. Nothing's moving. Okay. Let's try again. Refresh.
why does it always say job completed?
Because the workflow is completed in. Oh no, it's a bug. It's a bug.
Okay.
I just don't have time to fix it. Like this bug depends on fixing something else. Okay, our live title is totally broken again. I believe we have a problem here because I just realized our live title is kind of sort of try to compete with the our live game. I have this. Let me turn off live title right now because it's sort of competing with our game for resources in the background. I only have one GPU.
Oh, okay. So is this why the game is so slow to start?
Possibly. Okay, job started. Job started. Whole bunch of things started. How come nothing happens?
Did the job get started?
Yeah, jobs got started, but we're just not sure if it has actually received an input. Let's see here.
Maybe that. What does that use effect?
Oh, I got it. So I think
Maybe it also depends on that job ID.
initially because his feed was null. That's why.
Okay.
Now it's working. It's kicking.
Cool.
Okay, let's see Llama 3. Oh, Llama 3 is better than Llama 3 instruct. Okay. Oh, never mind.
Too early.
Predictably. Wow, this target sample, this is like total garbage. All right, let's try the fine-tuned version. What's his name again? Llama 3.
Llama gradient. Llama 3 dash gradient.
We should stop using Llama and start using something more serious, such as Python.
Why is Llama not serious?
Because it has a cartoon llama logo in black and white. And it even has its own set of emojis in its Discord channel.
Nice.
Which renders this entire thing completely not serious.
Oh.
Okay, fed. Good. Good. Don't disappoint me, long context window. Oh, fuck, it's even worse. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Let me just do like last ditch, like sort of pointless attempt, just to upgrade everything to the latest version. I think my Linux version of Llama is a few versions behind.
Okay.
All right, NVIDIA GPU installed. And then I hope that wait, is it because I set the temperature too high? What if I don't set a temperature? Yeah, all these fine-tuned versions, they're like sort of worse than the original. Okay. My gut feeling tells me it's just a limitation of the yeah, something wrong. Target no, totally. So what's the problem this time around? Anyway, let me just sort of try to set this to JSON and see what happens.
If format JSON, do we still need parse JSON response?
Where is parse JSON response?
Uh,
I think so. It just sort of it was outputting a string that is JSON. Now it's still outputting a string that is JSON.
Okay.
Let me see if the latest version has that infinite JSON generation issue fixed. By the way, JSON mode for whatever reason is significantly slower. Oh, it works. Just now it's like incredibly slow and whatnot. I think this can guide it to like perpetually generate JSON. We just have to sacrifice the speed. But this is too slow. This is like unplayable. Okay, this is our dilemma. We still have Grok.
What if we try implementing retry mechanism for Llama is so terribly slow?
Yep, JSON should not be slow. Did you try with other model? Fix that issue with JSON. I upgrade latest version, still slow. Yeah. Do you have any sample? A lot of try and errors, final count will count, make it too slow and make it faster. Previously, I can include both a JSON schema and some other important information in the system message. The results were very slow. Now I took away all the non-schema information in the system message, leaving only schema in the system message, like the workable example. This time becomes acceptable. So don't cram everything to schema. Oh, never mind. Oh, this is the validation error, isn't it? At least JSON was okay, but validation. Let's see what validation error we got. Horrendous.
Seriously, what happened to this?
Why is this not conforming?
Actions.
Missing property action type. So what did it write? Action underscore type? You gotta be kidding.
Looks like it. There's an extra space.
Action underscore space type.
This is the most stupid error I've ever seen.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Still unplayable. Okay. But let me pay heed to the guy's comment.
Yeah, I mean, or we just lower the number of conversations in the scene.
Okay. How do we do that?
Was that somewhere mentioned in? Is it who generates the scene right now? Is it supervisor?
Who generates the thing? The supervisor? Yes.
Yeah, I guess we just change that 12 to 6 maybe.
That kind of feels like kind of sweeping the problem under the rug in a way. But sure.
Honestly, if the problem is with context window, at least this way we can verify. I don't remember whether it was 12 or 13 or
20.
Oh yeah.
Now we move to 12. 10.
I feel like 12, 10, maybe try 6.
6 is too like you don't even. Why try 6? It doesn't hold a conversation.
We're usually breaking around 8 or 9 or 7, I think.
Okay, let's try 8. Okay.
Okay.
And then I'm not gonna use JSON mode for now because I just
it's way too slow.
Quickly check the system message. My system message isn't that bad actually. I found a workaround. Thanks. Was there a real solution? My time solution is to switch to 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗶𝗵. 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗶𝗵. Should we try 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗶𝗵? It's gonna be super slow. Yeah, 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗶𝗵 even supports Llama 3. Oh, jeez. We should really try something that's not 𝗟𝗏. Or maybe do it more in a more meaningful way. Just try to kind of simplify our prompts. I think our prompt is still complicated.
True. I do want to try the Llama CPP though. At some point, we'll have to enable different modes of local LLM.
Okay, yeah. Okay, no format JSON. Llama CPP supports 𝗄𝗲, right? There's no pre-built binaries with 𝗄𝗏 at the moment. You have to build it yourself.
Oh man.
Nothing works.
Wait, if oh, hold on. That Reddit post.
One year ago.
Oh.
Yeah, actually, maybe Llama CPP isn't that bad. Okay, let's finish this, and maybe you can try it next time.
Yep. Yeah, maybe that could be a topic for Saturday.
Yep. We've never really tried the scene switch, have we?
Which one?
Switching the scene.
No, it usually we
Okay, now it's
ooh,
switching the scene. Nope.
error subject of name Morgan not found in props. Subject Morgan.
I believe this is our error.
Yeah, it's somewhere in Jen's state. Why is this so? So character actions.
Okay, maybe it's just like schema problem.
But
Let me run this again.
yeah.
Wait, we still have one unfixed error. What's this?
What is ACAM?
Oh, that's the front end. Subject of name not found in props. Props don't have Morgan?
It should be on the. So what is character actions? Does it only consist of the actions or
Yeah, I believe we have Morgan.
maybe it's supposed to be name instead of subject? Line 13.
This is correct. Let's follow the.
Subject
Yeah, this is correct.
actions. Oh,
Yeah, everything's correct. Maybe it's just like that reference issue, wrong reference issue. Let's give it another chance. Oh no. Validation failure. Oh, how
I
do
just
we
rerun it.
But it shouldn't be this quick. It shouldn't. Okay, let me check. This time is so what now? Missing property action time. Wait, what? What?
It's missing a T. Action, yep.
Why does it do this consistently?
Do we have a typo somewhere?
Or is like action underscore type to 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀𝗏? How about I globally replace action type with action? But no, this is, come on, man. This is, oh. Okay, let me commit and let me try.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't hurt to try changing action type to action, maybe.
This is like voodoo. Okay, I globally replaced everything. I feel at a certain point we gotta shake up our like a stack and everything. There's gotta be something that's better and possibly working that we're not actually using. Okay, so far so good. Nope. Subject of name Morgan not found in what? Not
Oh, maybe it was that filter. If not subject prop, current dot props, what's in the props? It's not that. I think in the props there is no prop with name equal to Morgan for some reason.
Yeah, so let me just print them.
I guess also when you start a new scene, what are the default props? Is that just gonna be an empty list?
No, we just checked like Morgan and everybody's there.
No. I mean,
Right.
when you start a new scene,
Oh, interesting.
right? So it always happens after the new scene gets generated.
For that case, for that reason, so let's check.
Oh man, we really have to fix this. Who touched it last time?
Nobody, but usually I think it's me. Oops.
See?
Oops.
So apparently, maybe now when the new scene gets started, it also needs to generate some props as well.
True. And also, you know what? We should just fix the character props, I think. Sort of just kind of force the character pops into it every time.
Okay.
But I'm wondering how come it's entirely empty while being completely empty is not correct.
Why not?
You gotta have things to operate on, like such as rocks, caves, and whatnot.
True, but you never really called generate props when a new scene gets generated? I think it was done in.
So we don't have that logic. Let's see our few shot example in here. In a cozy room, Emily sits, black cat. This is assistant, and we did instruct it to generate props, cat and cat toy.
And this is when something from action worker comes in, or when supervisor. So remember, supervisor handles different types of requests almost.
Yeah.
Um, so does it follow the same logic when it's something from character worker versus a new scene request?
Sorry, I don't get it.
Uh, Scroll up maybe. In your processor, is there a switch case logic?
If conversation too long, not too long, otherwise generate.
Yeah, so essentially, if it's too long, then.
Okay.
Oh, so it does have the new. It has the new scene. Does it have the
Right.
new props?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay. So new scene, keep it under 30 words, new topic, message. So system. This is one of the cases we didn't use few shot.
Mm-hmm.
Summarize, do some new topic. And when this is down, new chapter prompt, new topic prompt was sort of okay. And then new topic was generated. New topic came out like this. And then new chapter raw. Is this being used anywhere? No. This is just for us viewing. And
Yeah.
it proceeds to generate like writing props. This is specifically writing props. Row assistant, uh, example this, example that, and then eventually we have a scene. The scene consists of props. Yes. And then consists of which then everything gets aggregated here. Yeah, it looks correct.
Hmm.
So let's see. Scene 2 plot, scene number, props is here's a summary of everything listed by the user. What? As they retreat from the cave, Jeremy spots an eerie glowing, emanating eerie glow from the giant tree's trunk. Morgan orders them to investigate while Guy expresses concern about potential consequences.
So it didn't mention Jeremy, I guess?
I think it was complaining about Morgan, but the point is props is completely empty.
So a parsing error, perhaps?
We didn't ask it anywhere to do the error handling by ignoring anything. Okay, supervisor spec props. Okay. The response is oh, you're right, probably. You're right. So the response is empty.
Interesting. Why would it be empty? Let message equals
This is
C.
this is a well written prompt. A problem like I don't understand. I don't understand.
Generate a llama prompt by messages.
Let's run this again. Let's run this again. Okay, look very, very closely on what it outputs. Oh, wow! It actually did just skip the whole thing for whatever reason. Huh. Okay. Like completely ignored it. I thought this is like very well crafted message. For whatever reason, it just ignored it.
Why though? C equals a weight.
Oh, hold on. This is not right. There's no user message. Oh shit. Like the final message should be the user message.
Okay.
And start creating the new thing provided. Yeah, no wonder. It's just okay. That's the correct response because it's not its turn. It's user's turn.
Oh.
So thing provided. This should be whatever was generated prior, which is new topic. Right? It's a new topic. JSON object. Yeah.
Okay.
I think that's gonna work. And then, in order to sort of forestall like any kind of wrong attempts, so let me just do a little bit logic here. Just kind of const props with characters equals to. How should we go about doing this?
You want to props with characters.
Cool.
I guess you don't even need the first condition.
Just in case.
Sure.
And then what I do next? Alien caves, character props, character enum. I don't know where character enum come from. Shouldn't that come from? Yeah, in here should be like this. Any missing characters And no. Okay, that works. And then new props. Oh, actually, I should just like make it output the raw scene here. And then new props will be the props. Props maybe missing people. Terrible name, but there's no ambiguity.
Don't you also want to log the props maybe missing people just to see what the raw props are?
How dare you trusting the wisdom of what was it called? Copilot. We'll do it later. Okay.
Cool.
Wait, why is it becoming increasingly slower? What's wrong with my computer?
Were there any lingering process? Was the old job still running?
What the heck? This is way is it even serving the current thing? Alright, let's see. Wait, what the hell? Okay, validation failed. What now this time? Well, at least we didn't get that error, right?
Did we even get to that point?
I mean, if you look at the title in here, this looks like scene 2.
It's way too soon to be entering scene 2, no?
Round 2. Target. Okay. It should be destination, but
Oh man.
okay, let's examine the data chain. Okay.
What's the scene number, maybe?
In here, scene number is where do you see the scene number? 2.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We kind of progressed and then it kind of failed. Is it because like we gotta do a closer examination of the wow. Look at the prompt. What the heck?
It feels too long.
Yeah. Maybe first thing first. Like even this, I think only GPT-4 level kind of thing can handle it. I don't know. I mean, if GPT like, yeah, okay. You see, this one still holds the conversation from the last time.
Okay.
What's going on here is just this. Yeah, it's still accumulating. It didn't get reset. I mean, okay, let me just try one thing. Like, how about recent history? We keep. Wait.
Wait, recent history is reset. I guess did we reset the
But in here, clearly in the
right? If you go to memory, not memory, is it summary worker maybe?
yeah. So I'm
Um,
waiting here. I'm waiting for either character or supervision.
right,
So if it's supervision, I just do a simple replacement and I.
right.
Oh, I see. I think it could be the case that there could be a potential racing condition here. Well, could there be?
Really?
Like, hmm,
How could that be? Uh, as in,
yeah, I guess not, maybe. But let's see here. But from turn control to character worker, the history, we're at a scene number 2, but the history of previous scene got leaked in. So if we go back from supervisor to turn control, it got leaked too. It got leaked. This is from a supervisor to turn control. So it still got leaked from the supervisor. Huh.
so who's connected to supervisor again? Turn control and
I mean, regardless. Okay, summary worker to supervisor. This is here. There's not a. I'm trying supervisor to turn control in here. Total number of lines. This is like going to scene 2 way prematurely. Is it not?
do we?
Was the recent history flattened or what? Okay, so no, it's not flattened. In here, it's already scene 2 for whatever reason.
Uh, was this the beginning?
Okay, I move a few things, a few lines up. Okay, this is not yet to scene 2.
No, this is scene number 2.
How come? Oh. It seems like it's moving to scene 2 way premature for some reason. Oh, here, it's already scene 2. This is scene 1, right? Wait. This looks like
Yeah.
scene 1.
This is scene 1.
Are we sure?
Somewhere if you, I think you scrolled past it.
Current. Okay,
Yeah,
yes, current. It doesn't have previous.
slowly, keep going.
Oh, scene 1.
Yeah,
Got it. And then,
I
for
guess
whatever reason, it went through summary to supervisor. This is still scene 1. Okay, all good. From turn control to character worker, scene 1. And then in here, Summary to supervisor, supervisor to in here started this is thing 2, isn't it? Yeah. You trigger this thing 2.
Okay.
And in here, recent history is empty. Okay, this is correct.
Cool.
And then it got from character worker, summary worker to supervisor worker again. Recent history is this got leaked in here. I think this still is kind of like a scene 1 conversation in a way. So we do have some kind of racing condition here.
Recent history.
Oh, so this is correct. This is kind of got leaked.
But there's only one recent history. Total number of lines,
yeah,
1.
only 1, and start accumulating to. In here, it should be 2. Yeah. It doesn't look too bad, actually. Like, we do have one, we spot a one race condition where these two are trying to sort of, this is not quite listening to sort of just do things on its own.
Character to summary.
Or should we trust this graph? Can we trust this graph? This is kind of strictly in parallel fashion. I don't even know.
It is based on the dependency, so as long as the dependency is correct. Like, just because they're on the same line doesn't mean they happen at the same time.
Okay. But in here, you can clearly see the lineage. Like, this is still based on scene 1. Oh, scene 2. This is based on scene 2. Oh, interesting. So it is correct. It's just like it goes to scene 2 a little bit prematurely.
Maybe.
But I set it in here to total number of lines is greater than 8. Has it ever reached 8? Oh, it has. Really? 8? How is this calculated? This increments by 1 whenever I don't know. This is increment by 1 randomly in here. But why? Okay. Actually, the whole thing looks kind of correct.
Okay.
So let me just change from 8 to 10 maybe. Now, so everything's correct. Let's run this again. Oh, I do have to run in like 10 minutes, so
Okay.
finish this. Wait. This is generating, and it's not even showing on my console for some reason. My console is like severely lagging. Oh, this whole thing is freezing. Scene 2, the abysmal the descent. Okay, it's still going. Let's keep going. Even though my
Wait,
VS Code completely
what?
froze.
Oh man,
It's still going.
this is
Still
so
going.
weird.
Please go to scene 3. Nah, I didn't go to scene 3. I think it crashed in here. Permanently.
Nice. Okay, so your VS Code finally caught on.
Yes. It's in a very, very bad shape right now, but let me see the final. I think it's the furthest that it has ever gone so far. Should we do a retry mechanism? Missing intent. Missing intent. Okay. Oh, they're doing the portal and whatnot. Okay. It's progressing into a portal.
Interesting.
I don't think we should go through the portal. Okay, let me see the props as scene 2. Okay. So in this scene, we have Morgan, Guy, Jeremy. Now it's the cautious one. Interesting. Scanning device. Hidden portal. Then Morgan again. What? That's not right. Okay, we do need to have some kind of duplication. Jeremy, Guy. What?
Oh.
Okay. We have some problem with the missing person merging. You question the wisdom of Copilot, and you are correct. This code is a piece of garbage.
Props missing. So existing characters not find 𝗙_name, 𝗙_name. So are those Morgan and stuff all type person?
I'm not sure. I don't
Maybe
know.
just quickly go back to your data chain view.
Type person, type person, type person, type person.
Huh.
Hi, Jeremy, type person.
Okay. That is so weird.
Existing character equals the props, maybe missing field without filter. Type equals person and name is in character props name. Okay. Missing character equals to
Character props dot map p. So what is character props?
character props is this.
And their name, okay. Morgan, Jeremy, Guy, all lowercase.
Yeah.
The generated one, they're all lowercase as well.
I think so. Morgan person, Jeremy person. I think this is the missing. Like this is the ones
Yeah.
that appended in the end. For
So
some reason, name type this was not captured. Morgan the Explorer, Guy the Adventurer.
interesting.
I'm pretty sure it's some stupid error somewhere.
Existing characters. So character props dot filter p that is not found.
So this could be empty, and if this is empty, then this is everything. So maybe the array is somewhere in here.
So JavaScript in, are you trying to see if the prop.name is in the
Oh no! It should be this. Yeah, you're right.
right. Yeah, I remember I ran into something similar as well before.
Oh my god. And it seems that it's a little bit lacking. Okay, I think it's because the topic it give is too succinct. Let me give a clear instruction here and tell it to scene provided. You are a scene writing assistant. Oh no, this is a. Yeah, maybe we should change this to few shot. I think this is way too lazy.
Probably, yeah.
Keep the response around 200 words. This is still lazy. We gotta convert this to Fuchsia, given like some very, very good examples. I don't wanna. Okay. Oh no! It's freezing again. Oh, I know why it's freezing. Give me 1 second. I need to do the reset and clear. Hold on, give me 1 second. Because I set my text buffer to be super large. It's kind of running out of memory right now. I think. Yep. That's my issue with my buffer.
Cool.
It to be too large. Okay. All right. Didn't even yeah, I think you're right. Let's change this to 8.
It's
Didn't move
missing.
to Sing 2, I think. I don't think you moved to Sing 2.
Maybe something to look into next time.
Okay. Let me run this one last time. Then we'll call
Okay.
it.
Didn't you say you have to run?
Run what?
Like go somewhere?
Oh,
It's 10 to...
it got canceled.
Okay.
Just now.
Okay, that's rude.
No.
Action talk. Is it missing? Oh, it's the bad JSON formation.
Yeah. Still. JSON mode, still JSON mode. Let's kind of try to consult like the internet and somewhere like the good people on Reddit and see what they are doing.
Yep.
But for now, that's it for the day. I kind of feel there's got to be some way that where we can get like very consistent results. Number one thing being simplifying the prompt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Or maybe just retry.
Yeah, I do think we need to implement at least once retry.
Okay. Okay. Let's do that next time.
Cool.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Thanks.
See you on Saturday.
Cool.